Hello everyone, welcome to Small Bulk Car. Today we have got a casting which you might have not seen on the roads because this doesn't drive on the road. This is a custom made bus which is used in Columbia Icefield, Jasper, Canada, where it takes you on a glacier. We recently did this trip, and when I saw this, I had to get this one. Just for your reference, this is how the actual bus looks, and this is a picture that's on the glacier. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here is the Ice Explorer bus out of its box, and first thing we'll notice, it's got these huge wheels, and there are 6 of them, and these buses are 6-wheel drive, so all 6 of them actually drive because they go on ice and they need a lot of traction when they're going down or going up, so these all can work simultaneously. Also, you can see it's more like an off-road vehicle. It's got a huge height. Driver sits on this side. You've got opening door, good detail on the driver side. Steering obviously is not that low as it's in this model. It's slightly higher than that. But also the paint theme is exactly the same as you see on the buses there. It also got the Pursuit Canada's stick symbol, Ice Explorer, which is the name of the buses, Columbia Icefield. So this is the area which is, which compromises of 6 different glaciers, and we went on one of them. And exhaust tip on the back you can see. Also you can see it has got huge windows and small windows on the top too, to give you a 360 kind of view. This is how it looks from the front. Again, it is called the smaller windows on the top. Apart from the windshield, you've got the foremost written here. I think that's the number of the bus. It says 41 here. Columbia Icefield again, where it takes us, and the headlamps down there. Now this is where passenger gets in. As the memory served, this door was slightly bigger than this, but yeah, we did have steps because it's much higher, so you have to climb through these steps and go in. Door was slightly bigger than this, so they can't do the exact replica sometime. But I like how they kind of did the detail on the windows, the black the siding on the seals, like kind of thing. You have got all the seats inside too, so good details here. And again, I know a lot of you will even I didn't saw this vehicle before I went there, so a lot of you must have not seen these vehicles. But if you just search this Ice Explorer Columbia Icefield, you will see this one. Or I will try to add some pictures to the video, or maybe a short video at the end. And this is how it looks from the back. Again, there's a tail lamp, this is the rear window. From the bottom, they have tried to show all the differentials on the 6 wheels. It was a nice experience, especially you don't get to go on glaciers every day. So if you live in Canada and if you get a chance to visit Alberta, do take this tour. I think you're gonna like it. It's something different you don't see every day. So coming back to this casting, yeah, I think it's very close to what we saw or what we went in, and I think it will be a nice memory. Well, those are my thoughts about this casting and about the trip. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.